a story to my Grammy using a typewriter.
All right, boys and girls, we've read Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type, where the farmyard animals were writing letters to the farmer on a typewriter. So we wanted to show you what that would look like. We have seen computer keyboards and where you could type on iPads and phones, but we thought you would really love to see what a real typewriter looks like. This is an electric typewriter, so it has a cord. And Avery's just gonna type out a little bit to her Grammy today to show you the sounds, because in the book it says click and clack, clickety clackety. So she wanted to show y'all what that actually looks and sounds like, okay? Show the kids, yeah.
Here.
Click, clack, quack, click, clack, quack, clickety, clack, quack. And in the book, you can see the typewriter looks a little bit different than our typewriter. That's okay. All right, Avery. You gonna start off your letter, Dear Grammy?
Yeah. Wait, we gotta turn it on.
Oh, that's right. Turn it on. Good job. Dear Grammy. Gonna do a capital, space, So what's really cool is you see where all these letters are, boys and girls? When she presses the key, it turns this little knob to the correct letter and stamps it on the page with the ink strip that it's using. Good job, Avery. Keep going.
Then I want to color.
Okay, he can color. Can you take Cassie?
I forgot to do a capital
That's okay.
D, but it's fine.
It's fine. You're learning. I really like your typing skills. Your fingers look great on the keys.
Miss Pat showed me.
She did. Good job, Miss Pat. In the computer lab.
Chain ink.
Alright, now if you want a question mark, you're going to hold that down.
And that.
Good job. Keep going.
show them what I have so far?
Yeah. Good job. Okay, Avree, how's your letter going?
Good, and I'm ready to sign it.
She's ready to sign it at the bottom. So what are you going to say? Love, Avree?
Yeah.
All right. Capital L for love. And a comma is right there.
So I do have to shoot.
Yeah, press the comma. And then go down a line. Hit return. And then sign your name with a capital A.
I'm done.
Awesome. Good job, Avree. You want to go deliver it to her?
Yeah.
Okay, boys and girls, we hope you enjoyed listening to the keyboard click and clack. We hope that you liked seeing what a real typewriter looks like with Avree. Thanks, Avree. You want to wave bye?